Okay, business modeling is an important element in any business. Okay, figure 1-8 show a simple business model. It is for the received sales order. Okay, event is received sales order. When you receive sales order from a customer, okay, we have to do some homework before we process or before we proceed with the approval. Normally when a customer make an order, okay, for the first time the customer place an order, normally a business will require the customer to pay cash, okay? And we don't give credit for the first few transactions. Any reason for that? Okay, simply because first we don't really know who are our customer. Okay, second, we need to have some track record of our customer before we can decide whether the customer is worth to give credit or not. Okay, third, that's why we need business profile, so that we know that okay, this customer have well established, or at least business that can worth to give credit. Okay, so that at the end of the day we are not selling, okay, without getting back the money from our customer. Okay, the first process is to check our customer status. Normally we require bank statement or at least some backup of financial status of our customer or our client. Okay, so we request our customer to give some reference. Okay, his bank account, his company assets. Okay, and upon having that document, normally we will contact direct to the bank. Okay, we don't simply trust whatever given to us. Right. So the second process is verify customer credit. Okay, we check with the bank. Okay, on this particular date, is it true that this customer have certain amount of money? And we'll check for previous month and maybe 1 month after that. Okay, so that we are confident that this customer is having a strong financial backup. Okay, right. Some smart customer, they open an account and they park certain amount of money, okay, at the end of the month. So when the bank print the bank statement, it appears on the slip on the report a certain amount of money, and the next day they withdraw some significant amount of money, and it will be the account will having low figure. Right. Next is where we process. Okay, we enter customer data into our system, name, customer, order data. Once we have approved the credit limit of the customer, and then finally the result is the completed sales order. Alright, so that's the business operation specifically for receive sales order. Okay, it means that we normally don't give credit to any any client. Normally those who get credit are those who have track record with our business. Okay, hope you get that message. Thank you.